So the kittens have reached the terrible twos. However, they are only 12 weeks old. But this is about the time where the kittens are so big, they've outgrown their rooms. They are extremely curious, so they need more stimulation. They are ravenous. Like, I cannot give them enough food, and they're just eating and eating and eating. And this is all very normal behavior. So we brought in this toy today. They've had this before, but it broke, so we got them another one. They break everything. When you have a group of 6 to 8 kittens jumping on everything, things break really easily. So anyways, we got them another one, and they're getting used to it. Bingo's over there growling at his green ball. He loves these little balls. I will warn you guys to pick up all your toys after the kittens play with them, because they'll shred them, and you don't want them ingesting any of the toys. Can you guys play? And actually, I think that's checkers with the green ball now that I'm looking at Bingo right here in front of me. Yes, so that's checkers with the green ball. It's hard to tell them apart. The only thing that I can tell them apart by is their personalities. So obviously Bingo is a lot more social. He doesn't mind his siblings. Checkers and Yahtzee are still kind of isolated cats, which hopefully will improve once everybody leaves. Want to play with me? This is Jax playing. This is little Dots. Yeah, little Dots, you're such a good girl. Yes, you are. Look at that pretty tail. Uno is still the only one with the collar on, so he's standing right there's Uno. Hey, Dots. Hello. Hit it. Pat it. They'll get used to it. I think they have to get used to the noise. Dots found a little pink ball to play with. There you go. So we have Bingo and Jax. Come on, Jax. Do it. So that's Bingo, Dots in the middle, and Jax. I don't know, what are you doing? Sitting with Mom? You sitting with Mom? No, I don't have the feather toy out here because I wanted to give them a chance of just being out here without the toy. Hi, baby. This is Jax. Gonna go sit with Mom. This is Bingo. That's Checkers growling at her ball. Hello, Bingo. Hello, Uno. Sit with Mom. Yes, I know. I have to stop the video because they get too long. I can't share them with you guys. Hope everybody's having a great day.